Hey guys, I just want to do a quick demo on these PawPro cooling towels. I personally love these cooling towels. They work great. My family goes to Disney quite a bit. Used them before in the past, but I didn't know they actually did. I just thought it was the air and evaporation, or maybe it had something to do with that. I'm not sure. But the water here, you guys can see, 73, almost 74 degrees. In the video I saw, they did this. Okay, they shook it around. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna have to squeeze all that out. Okay, all right. Then they gave it a little shake. And I'll shake it a little bit here. I don't know how long you're supposed to. Now let's just give it a look here. Oh, wow, interesting. So it's already, I don't know if you guys can see that. I just gave it a quick shake. It's already starting to cool down because it was closer to 74. That's very interesting. I'm just gonna shake it just a touch more off camera here. I'll tell you what, it feels cold to touch. The great thing I love about this, 73.6, well, 73.8. So now it might be going, I wonder if it's feeling my hand. I'm not sure. But either way, when you put this, I'm not sure how they honestly, and they just work fantastic. I get very hot and overheated, but when you put this around your neck or your arms, I personally use it on my neck, my head. I'll drape it around my head and it cools down, and it's very simple. Soon as it dries off, just throw it back in some water. Also, another thing is, if you want to keep one that's dry, they are very good at moisture wicking, and it will absolutely absorb a ton of sweat. And let me tell you, I'm a sweaty guy, so let me see here. Oh, 72.1. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, well, that just went to 72.1. All right, guys, well, it does start to cool down. You just got to give it a second, it looks like. I'm going to guess it felt my hand when I was going like this. So it's a great product, and I don't think you'll be disappointed if you purchase this. And these are essential to me, especially on the hot days in Florida. All right, this one has 4 packs. And I thought there was a seal to open it, but that's all right. Right here, opens up nice and easy. Then you have your 4 towels. You have, if you like, you have carrying bags with D-rings. So you can hook them on like us. We've hooked them onto our baby strollers. You can hook them onto anything, really. It's a nice little touch. All right, so one thing I noticed, I saw in the product video that the towel itself will cool. And I thought that was really cool. I kind of did, pun intended, I guess, I did get that feeling when I've used